Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is Lasodian Biztalk. What I have to share with you today is how to make 100% profit. Not 20, not 30, not 40, not 60, not 80, but 100% profit on your capital. 100% whooping profit on your capital in 30 days, just a month, with crypto OTC platform. I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can get it done, how you can earn 100% profit on that your capital, no matter how small it is. And this is a very secure site to invest your money. Okay, explore AI in wealth creation. As we all know that for you to make money online, you need some skill, you need a genuine platform, and this is cryptocurrency era. So for you to make money in crypto trading, then you need to have some requirements, which means the knowledge of the market trends, to study the market, to know when to buy, to know when to sell. But don't worry, you are covered by this artificial intelligence that is embedded in crypto OTC platform. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you today, how you can get it done successfully. So but before I go deeper, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of a channel called Lasodian Biztalk. Lasodian Biztalk is a channel that is created to share with you my online ideas on how to make residual income, on how to make passive income, on how to be financially free, secured, and stable. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next updates, so that you're not going to miss out on any other financial educational content that I'm going to upload here. So if you are contemplating to join any online investment, feel free to forward it to me so that I can review on your behalf, and I promise you my sincere review and recommendation, so that it can serve as a basis for your own personal decision, because you need to be financially secured and also you need to be responsible for your action. So here in Lasodian Biztalk, I give you financial education but not financial advice, so you should be responsible for your action. All right, so if after you have watched this video you found it to be very meaningful, useful, and helpful, then don't hesitate to like and share this video. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, as it can be the turnaround information that many of your friends and family has been waiting in expectation, has been expecting rather. All right, so once again, what we are considering today is 100% profit on your capital in 30 days, in 30 days with crypto OTC platform. So let's do some calculation right now. Let's do some calculation. Let's assume you are okay, this is not an assumption, you are making a platform gives you 3% profit on your capital. Let's say you are having $100 as a capital, so you are making 3.6% daily. 3.6% daily multiplied by 100, so that gives you 3.6. $3.6 every day, then multiply by 30 days, that is 108 without any compounding, So if you are also compounding, then that means you will surely make more than this. So you can even make up to 130, 140 if you are compounding. So, and this platform, it gives you auto compounding position, so it is automatically compounding. So that means you can even make more than 100% of your capital in 30 days. So but there are some things that you need to know. The name of the platform is crypto OTC. So let me give you a brief information about crypto OTC. Okay, do you know you can earn up to 3.6% probably by trading USDT on COTP? What is USDT? USDT is a cryptocurrency that have the same value with US dollar. That is, it is equivalent in price and value with US dollar. COTP means cryptos OTC trading platform. That is, cryptos over the counter trading platform. Is a blockchain OTC and cryptocurrency exchange platform registered in the United States as a money services business. That is MSB with FinCEN. That is Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, and complying with the requirement of the Bank Secrecy Act. So how do we make money by selling USDT on COTP? So the first sentence that I read shows that it shows the legitimacy of COTP, that is how truly they are, that is if truly they are registered by government authorities, and you can see that that is how it is. So I will soon take you to the platform for more information now. Wow. So how do we make money by selling USDT on COTP Exchange? This is how it works. COTP has an artificial intelligence, and this makes the only difference, AI, because we are in the world where technology advances on daily basis. So everything is now automated. Everything is now being done in an automated way, in an advanced way. So we are now using artificial intelligence to replace human effort, to replace human decision over many things, especially in financial technology. Now, artificial intelligence system which scans the international market to identify USDT buyers on cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Okex, whose bid price for USDT is higher. COTP then sells your USDT to these buyers at a higher price and buys back the USDT at a lower / standard price and sends your capital and proportion of your profit back to you after 2 hours. So this means that all the trading activities will be completed in just 2 hours. So it will be completed. Note, number one, no buying of robots. You are not paying extra money to purchase the robot. Number two, there is no monthly subscription. Number three, there is no gas fee. Number four, withdrawal fee is just 0.03%. You can see that this is very, very negligible. 0.03% of what you want to withdraw is the charge, and the withdrawal takes less than 5 minutes to hit your crypto wallet. I can tell you that it takes less than 3 minutes, because the last time that I withdrew, it entered my crypto wallet in just 2 minutes. No. Now, number 5 says minimum trading capital is $10, so it is what you can afford. You can start with the minimum of $10. Minimum withdrawal is also $10. 12 rounds of trading in 24 hours and intervals of 2 hours each. So for this is not a sit down and look affair. It's not a sit down and watch that your money will grow like a grass. No, you also need to put some effort. You need to put some effort, and this effort is, I can say, it's what is just, you just dedicate like 2 or 3 minutes of your time every 2 hours. You spend 2 to 3 minutes every 2 hours on this trading platform. Actually, you are not the one trading, but you are the one to initiate the trade. All right, you are the one to start the trade. You are not the one trading, but you are just the one to initiate it. So you spend just 3 minutes every 2 hours. So you come back every 2 hours, which means 12 rounds of trading in 24 hours. For this reason, you can set up your alarm so that it will remind you whenever it's 2 hours for you to trade. Number 8, no blowing of account. It is 247 profit gaining, no blowing of account. So this is an opportunity that you can't afford to lose. So this is the few notes I have for you on COTP. So now let's go to the platform itself. All right, so now this is a platform. So what you just need to do is check the description box of this video. I'm going to drop in the registration link so that you can get registered and so that you can get activated, because you can only get into this platform by an existing user, because there must be an activation code for you. All right, so now this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how the platform looks like. All right, this is my own account here. I have asset of $176 USDT, and in the transaction I have 174. So what happened is that every 2 hours, all the money you have here, that is in the transaction, it will move down to your wallet balance here. So after it moves to your wallet balance, then you will now start another. You will start another trade. Then you click. You click on the immediate competition for others here. When you click here, then you'll be linked with a user global. The system will scan the market globally, and it will link you with a user, though it may not take all your money in your wallet to trade. So but it will be in a progressive way. That is, for instance, I have 174. The first trade can be like $70. The second can be like 60, until everything that I have here is less than $5. So when the wallet balance is less than $5, it won't trade again, because it doesn't have the minimum requirement. All right. So after 2 hours, everything that you have in the transaction stage here will move to the wallet balance, so that you can start a fresh trading session. Okay, so that is how it goes. Just click on immediate competition. For you can see the balance is lower than $5. So I need to wait for the end of the transaction time for this 174, so that I can start another fresh trade. So that is how it goes, and this is what you do every 2 hours. So it is not a sit down and watch. You need to apply, you need to put in your own effort. All right, you need to put in your own effort, and you are going to make this. So you are going, if you can successfully trade for the 12 times in a day, then 3.6% is assured, it is guaranteed. And if you can do that consistently for 30 days, then you are making over 100% of your capital, because this is auto compound. It is auto compound. For instance, I deposited just 150, but now it is now 174. So 174 is still my current capital, So that is how you can see here. I deposited 150. The first one I deposited was 50, where then I withdrew 60, then I deposited 150 back. So, and it's still counting. So that is how it works. So you come back every 2 hours, and then you trade, and you wait for it to be completed. So you wait for it to be completed. So after the completion, then you restart again. You start another trading session. So it is very, very simple. It is as simple as ABC, and you can withdraw your money anytime, provided you have it in your wallet balance. You can withdraw anytime. The withdrawal is very, very fast, very, very swift. It will enter your crypto wallet within 5 minutes, in less than 5 minutes. It is very, very straight, and very, 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 very fast, and very, very swift. Okay, so, and if you are a networker, you can also earn from your network. You earn in all your levels. So let me show you how it goes here. So let me click on my team. You first click on mine, then you click on my team, then level 1, level 2, level 3. So in my level 1, I have some people here, and I receive some commission on their profit as well. So when I click on receipt button here now, it will add up to my total income. All right, so it will add up to my total income. So you will receive commission on your team if you are a networker. So that is how it was, just to encourage your hard work. All right, and also you can do your identity authentication, so that your account won't be limited. You can do your identity authentication. It takes less than 5 minutes for you to be verified. It is very, very important, very, very important. So there are so many ways whereby you can make money. You can make money through the daily trading activities, and you can also make money through your network. So that is how it goes, and your withdrawal is very, very fast. Your deposit is very, very fast. So just check the description box of this video for more information. You can contact me on WhatsApp, and I will drop my WhatsApp contact and our WhatsApp group link for more information, so that you can check up, and I can answer your questions anytime, any day. So this is where I'm going to stop for today. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell and set it to all notification. Don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family. Till the next video, I am Lasogenic, and this is Lasogenic Biz Talk. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.